Assalamualaikum. Today I will show and teach you about how to make a totality test and show you the tutorial step by step. Okay, firstly, I want to read the procedure first. Ensure the switch, LCB and MCB are switched off and remove all the load. Connect the test lead as a and record the reading. Test value must less than 1 ohm. Okay, let's start the test. Okay, firstly, you need to put a probe at here to add live wire, and then put another at the switch 1 at live wire 2. Okay, and then you can hear a buzzer from multimeter. Okay, then another one at switch 2 and another one at switch 3. Okay, it's a good multimeter for this test. All the switch give the same sound in the show. I will show it's a good multimeter. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Today I will show and teach you about how to make a polarity test and show you the tutorial step by step. First, I will read the equipment and procedure. The equipment is multimeter and the wiring journal. The procedure: first, select the range of the multimeter to ohm. Place the probe as shown in figure 3.1 and create the temporary connection between earth terminal and the live terminal at the switch point. Record the reading. Repeat the step 3, changing the temporary connection between earth terminal and live terminal at the lamp point. Switch on the switch and record the reading. Okay. First, create the temporary connection between earth terminal and live terminal at the switch point. Here, switch 1. Here, switch 3 and the load. And then, let's start the okay, let's start the test. Firstly, you put the probe at the live point, and secondly, you put the earth at the and you cut. Aku just buat video untuk ni. Firstly, put the probe to the live point, and secondly, put the to the point bar. And you see the reading is 4 ohm. Thank you. It's a good.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today I will show and teach you about how to make a test, RCCB test using RCCB tester, and show you that the tutorial step by step. Okay. The equipment is RCCB tester 1, RCCB tester dengan wiring trainer. The procedure, connect to RCCB tester and the LCB, lepas tu set the range RCCB rate trip MA to higher input 500 MA. Set the function to no trip at RCCB tester and select 0 at selector position switch. Press test button and record the result. Release test button, change selector position switch to 118 and repeat step 5. Repeat step 4 and to step 6, which change the range to trip rate MA and fast trip 250 MA. So let's begin. set which button, no trip. 1/2, 1/2 red. Okay, at the table show no trip, so we put at no trip, paste 0, 0 and we test. Okay, the trip. Cut. Okay, then at me paste 118, we set the 118 and we test at the same no trip as well. Okay. Okay, Muden. Okay. Okay, at last this trip paste 0, then we change it to 0, but this trip, then we push button test. Okay. Okay, Muden. Okay, then the last result for this is fast trip. So we set it to fast trip, 0 pace, 0 phase. Fast trip. Okay, we test.
Assalamualaikum. Today I will show and teach you about how to make a test, RCCB test using socket and ELCB tester, and show you the tutorial step by step. First, I will introduce the equipment and the procedure first. The equipment: socket tester 1 unit, wire trainer 1 unit. Procedures: first, refer to the testing diagram figure 3.4. Ensure the main power supply has been switched on, include the main switch. Second, put the socket tester on outlet socket, then turn on the outlet socket. Then record the output from display socket tester on table 3.4. And last, push button at socket tester and record the on table. Record the result. Let's start the test. Firstly, put this socket tester on the plug, then on the switch, then let's test. Let's see the result is the ELCB3.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Emir Anas Haq from Maltric Group. Today I will show and teach you about how to make test, insulation test, and give or show you the tutorial step by step. Okay, let me read the equipments and procedure first. So the equipment that we must have is insulation tester 1 unit and wiring trainer 1 unit. So this is a insulation tester, you can see here. Okay. And then the procedure: refer to the testing diagram figure 3.3 in this book. Ensure the main power supply has been switched off, include the main switch. Remove all the loads, switch on all the control switches, switch for light circuit, switch for light, and switch socket outlet here, RCCB, and also MCB. Okay, and number 4. Okay, and then number 4, do the testing procedure as the instruction given in table 3.3. Okay. The reading value must be more than 1 meg ohm for different polarity. So I will do the test after this. And lastly, for the same polarity, the reading values is less than 1 meg ohm. Okay, let's continue the test program. So this black probe is for earth and this black probe is for line. Okay, I will follow the diagram given. So I will test point live to live first. Okay, for the same point, the meter reading must in low than 1 meg. So the circuit condition will be good. Okay, let's test first. Live and live. Okay, so here the reading is below than 1 meg. Yes, okay. So this is show that the circuit condition is good. Okay, let's change to another point from live to neutral. Okay, so for the different point, the meter reading show that the reading is more than 1 meg. So the circuit condition is good. And then lastly, let's change to another point, earth to earth, for another same point. The meter reading also show that the reading is low than 1 meg because for the same point, the reading must be low than 1 meg. So the condition of circuit is good. So our testing for insulation tester are finished here. Thank you for show our video and good luck to you all for making this insulation test. Thank you.